I am about to blow dry my hair, and let me see if I could flip the camera first, like, because the name is back to front. Let me see if there's an option here on live. I've never done, I don't think I've ever done a live on Facebook ever. Let me see if they give me an option to flip the camera. No, I don't see that option. That's okay. Anyway, this is the Kiss 1875 Pro. The products that I'm using here, which would include this and the Conair shampoo comb. It's linked down below or wherever it is. You could check it out. I'm gonna blow dry my hair here on live for the first time on Facebook. I usually do this on TikTok. However, TikTok shop doesn't have this exact model for me to link it in the TikTok shop live video. So I said, why not come on Facebook and do a live? Alright, I already washed my hair. I did not condition because I'm trying some products for postpartum shedding, and the products that I use gave me a shampoo. They sent a shampoo and they sent like a leave-in. So the leave-in is in. I would have gone in with Tourmaline serum or product for blow drying, but because I don't want to put too many products in my hair all at once and I want to see how this leave-in fares, I decided that I will not put any other products in for blow drying into my hair. Alright, let's continue detangling this section. Well, I already detangled the entire head, but I like to go in a second time when I'm about to blow dry it and get it done. Just a little FYI here, my hair has gone through so much shedding within the past, let's say 7 months, and I am surprised I still have this much hair left on my head. It was really bad in the beginning. However, I've been doing different things to minimize that shedding. It's still shedding. However, I still am grateful that I have hair on my head where I'm able to not only blow dry it, but to style and so forth. I just wanted to throw that in there. Another thing, I know that there's smoke coming from my hair, and that is the product that's doing that. I blow dried my hair with this, with other products in it, and without products, and I've never seen, well, this is the most smoke I've ever seen coming from this blow dry using the product that I use. It's actually not as hot as this one. This blow dryer is the, I think this is a Tresoro. That's how you pronounce that word. This is what I would use when I'm doing my silk presses. I haven't done a silk press in over a year for various reasons, and I needed something that I could use in my hair that will cut down on the amount of time, and that would not put a lot of pressure on my hair because I'm not doing a silk press. And this just came in handy. I actually had one of these before, but I broke it, not because it's not a good dryer, blow dryer, but because I was reckless with whatever I did with it. I had nothing to do with hair, and I should not have used it for what I used it for, and I messed it up. So I'm back with another one, and I'll take better care of this one. I like dryers with comb attachments because it is very easy to use, especially if you're clumsy and you find it awkward to use all those other blow dryers. That's perfect for combing the hair out while getting it blow dried. So I'm done with this side. Now I'm going on to the left side. I could see why TikTok Live is a vibe, because TikTok pushes people to your live, and people love being on TikTok Lives. Sometimes you would just do a live and persons aren't there just listening to you. They don't want to say anything, they just want to watch whatever it is you're doing. And there's so many other perks that you get doing a TikTok Live too. However, I am not mad at the Facebook Live because there are perks here on a Facebook Live that may not necessarily be on a TikTok Live. So this is going to take some getting used to, for sure. I'm putting the hair away as it comes out. My hair, well, this is the first time I'm using the product. The idea is to see less shedding when I use it the second time. Hopefully it works. If it doesn't work, I'll have to move on to something else. I forgot I was supposed to go do something. Just give me like a few seconds, I'll be right back. I'm back. I'm doing this to each section before I detangle and blow dry because I'm loosening up my hair from having been in the 2-strand twist wet for a few hours. I washed my hair from, I think it was from this morning, and it's, well, from yesterday morning, and now it's after midnight. I also did a live on YouTube. That wasn't bad at all, but for some reason I could not. No, I shouldn't even mention that. That wasn't an issue. But YouTube live wasn't bad. I did not save that video though, but the next live I do on YouTube, I'll definitely save it. That's it. We're done. That was quick and easy. Of course, my ends need trimming. That's a story for a new day. But that's it. Grab you one of these dryers. Excellent. As you could see, this is the 1875 Pro Tourmaline ceramic blow dryer with comb attachments. It has other attachments also, including the diffuser attachment and the attachment that they use for that concentrated nozzle that they use for silk presses. And it comes with 4 of these beautiful pins, clips, whatever you want to call them. Alright guys, I'll catch you in the next live.